Welcome. If you want to get live wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy M51, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here Magic Fluids. We can also take it from the quick list. Here you get the full name of the application from the Mad Scientist. So after the download you can just simply open it, and here we get the preview how our wallpaper is going to look. So if you want to set it up, just click here, tap to set as live wallpaper, and you have to confirm right here. But after, before that, we can go here, and we can also customize the quality of the shadows, the glide, the simulation. You can also change the currently theme of this. So let me show you this one, for example. Okay, it's not changed, so let's enter one more time. And as you can see, there we got the different theme of that, so we can set it up on the home screen and the lock screen. And when we go back, you can see that our wallpaper has changed. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.